Hi, my name is Sharina, and I'm a healthcare compliance professional. I hold multiple certifications, including medical coding, medical auditing, as a compliance officer, and as an instructor. In my 15 plus years of experience, I've worked with all levels of healthcare professionals. I've provided education to everyone from someone with no background in the medical field who's trying to break in, all the way up to those that are in the C-suite and the board of directors. I have a soft spot when it comes to healthcare providers, especially, or any healthcare staff, and compliance. Compliance is full of rules and regulations that everybody is required to follow. And in spite of the extensive education that everyone gets before they go to work in the healthcare field, compliance education is sorely lacking. So people are expected to follow these guidelines, and sometimes they get in trouble for not following them, and a lot of times they don't even understand what those guidelines are. So just like a provider tries to protect their patients, I like to try and protect providers' offices or staff members or anyone who's in healthcare to make sure they understand compliance and what it is what that means for them. So today we're going to talk about HIPAA compliance awareness. So what is HIPAA? If you don't know that, that's okay. We're going to get into that in just a couple of minutes. So we're going to talk about HIPAA in general and some of the titles, especially the ones that relate to healthcare, that are included in HIPAA. That's going to be the first part. The second part we're going to go into is responsibility. Who's responsible for maintaining all of those guidelines under HIPAA? Just a clue really quick, it's everyone. Whether you have direct patient care or not, even if you're in the back office somewhere and you never see patients, HIPAA is still your responsibility. So that's the second thing we're going to look at today is responsibility. And then finally, I'm going to provide you with some scenarios. These are scenarios that I've experienced in my own life, things that I've seen in my years of working in the healthcare field. And I'm going to provide these scenarios so that you can go through and you can decide if it's a HIPAA violation or not. So HIPAA is actually very deep and we could take hours to talk about it. So instead, we're just going to skim right over the surface. We're going to talk about HIPAA compliance awareness.